measurement. Today we're going to talk about mass. We've talked about length, and today we're talking about mass, which is how heavy something is when you weigh it on a scale. So the unit of measure used in the metric system is called grams. A gram, 1 gram, is the weight of one small paper clip or the cap of a pen. So a gram is a very, very light unit. Bigger than that would be kilogram. A kilogram is the weight of about 1 dictionary or about 7 apples. So you think about a bag of apples you can buy at the grocery store, you're talking about 1 kilogram or a dictionary. An adult person weighs about 70 kilograms. So when we think about those things and we want to convert, if we wanted to see how many grams that would be, about 70, we can use our conversion chart to help us. So if we have 70 kilograms, I can do that by filling in my conversion chart here, 70. I could also put the 0 here and put the 7 outside for the next unit. But I want to fill in zeros until I get to grams, remember? And when I get there, I can see that 70 kilograms is really 70,000 grams. If you had to write an equation to match this, you could write 70 times 1,000, because 1,000 grams is the same as 1 kilogram. So because of that, I can use this to multiply. 70 times 1,000 will give me how many grams are in a kilogram. For tonight's homework, let's take a look at it. So we're using a bit different numbers, but the same problem. Gabe built a toy tower that is measured in 1 meter and 12 centimeters. After building some more, he measured it, and it was 3 centimeters taller. How tall is his tower now? What you are being asked to do is to tell how tall his tower is now. That's what you should write for number 1. That's the question. That's what you're being asked to do. So we're going to go ahead and figure that out. What do I know? I know that his tower measured 1 meter and 12 centimeters. I know that after he built it some more, that it was 3 centimeters taller. These are the things you're writing down. And the third thing that we probably know, you could say that you are supposed to draw a tape diagram to model. That could be your third thing. Or you can say you know that you need to convert the meters into centimeters so that you can add and subtract. So we are going to draw that tape diagram to match, and that's just the box showing me the whole and parts. And so that's what you're going to do tonight for homework. But converting meters to centimeters, you can use this same chart I have here. The only difference is what the unit says. You can feel free to make a chart on your own on a piece of paper and fill in the numbers. So we know we have meters, and then we know kilometers are here. And if we wanted to change it to centimeters, we know those are here, because this is decimeters. We have centimeters, and then we have millimeters. Those things are here. So we know we're going to convert. So we're just going to put how many meters are in the meter column, and then we're going to fill it in until we get to centimeters, and that will tell us how many centimeters. Once you convert this meter to centimeters, you can add the centimeters to it, and then you can add it all together, because taller is asking you to go ahead and compare by adding this time. So hopefully that was help to you. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow.